Hello, Mr. Chad Warden. Yes, it is I, your old friend, Herbert West. Since you defended my friend Edward Nygma, aka the Riddler, why not have you as the official outside member of the Unlucky 13? And plus, I do have a present for you by Christmas Eve. And let's just say it's something that is far more better than the Wii. And as for Stu Sweet, I already ended him. And let's just say he won't be getting ahead